Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I am playing Do Not Press the Button in Roblox. So, I just got in, and I don't know what is happening right now. So, I'm just confused. I probably have to avoid these things. Like, can I, like, go inside of that place or something? Oh, ooh, I'm juking, I'm juking, I'm juking, 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 juking. Yeah. Ooh. Get juked. Wait, is it only me against this person? It's only us. How? This is easy. I don't see how people got eliminated. Ooh, juke. That guy's using speed coil. If he loses, then I'm way much better. Because I am the GOAT. I am the GOAT. I am still the GOAT. I still don't see how people lost. No, I was about to get that down. Zombies on. Oh. I know this round. Defeat monsters. I'm running, boy. Kill him before he gets up. Let him get 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 up. Ooh, I'm Dream. I'm Technoblade. This is for you. Technoblade never dies. So long, nerds. Woohoo! 0 damage. I'm actually the GOAT. I helped a fellow GOAT indeed. Hey. Ooh, Dream. Jump him. Ooh, get jump, boy. Get jump. I'm taking 2 on by myself. Oh, I'm crazy. I'm absolutely goated. I'm goated with the sauce. Yes, let's go. A jump potion was made for everyone. Wait, do I use it right now? Yes! I have double jump. I hope this lasts long. Woohoo! Ooh, jumping. Bro! It just spawned and took me. Diamonds. Nah. This ain't fair. This is totally not fair. That's the guy that uses speed coil by cheating. Parkour pro. I'm parkour pro. I think. Oh no, this is harder because the color scheme changed. Oh. If this guy pushes. Okay. What? I jumped! Is this game calling me a noob? Seriously? Are you serious right now, game? Game developer? That's just cruel. Oh, that's me. Ooh, my patience is waiting. Is this irritating? Why is this guy? Oh my god. And also make sure to like and subscribe to this video. And also subscribe to my channel. Of course. Because I am so close to 40 subscribers. And also, shout out to my friend Ronnie FIFA. And also check out my other news video. And please like it too. I have no idea what is happening. Ooh, I can buy stuff. Buy coins. Buy diamonds. Ah. Menu. Wait. Okay. What is happening? What is happening right now? What is happening? I'm confused. I am totally confused. Why are they getting money? Bros. Why they have all that stuff? This is weird. Give me the money. Give me the money. Nah, just kidding. I'm richer. Num num num. I think I found the glitch in this game. Is this guy trying to glitch here? Come on. Just a little. Just a little. Seriously right now. Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious right now? Why is there an alien? Or whatever that's called in UGC items. I don't know what that thing's called, but I've seen it before. This game is totally glitched. So anyways, that's hope you enjoyed the video, and bye.